What's up, my beautiful people? How are you guys doing? This is Jen Wodo, your number one host, the one and only Karibu Nisana. Guys, before we dive in, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a video. So today we have amazing, beautiful topic. So you people, you think when you ask me question, that's why I told you people I read every email. Jen Moda, how do you make up power water till the very end? So Karibu ni sana, watch this video till the end and I'm going to make it very, very clear. Very, very clear. Yes, you can make a woman pour water till the very end, from the beginning till the very end, if only you do the right thing, if you're doing a perfect job. So watch this video or till the end, till the very end. It's going to be a very short video, but powerful one. Powerful one, okay? Our point before we dive in, even make sure that everything is in the right place. She's clean, you are clean, your fingers are clean, the index finger, everything is 100% clean. You guys, we already in the bed. You have already put your man in the bed in this place. Number two, make sure you spread her leg. One leg the other side, another leg the other side. One leg in Mugori, one leg in Siaya. It can all work. Are you guys getting the point? So, in this case, if you want the woman to pour that water till the very end, use your finger very, very well. And when you are using your finger inside there, make sure your finger goes upward and downward. Bend it a little bit. Why are you bending it a little bit? Now we are trying to concentrate in the 3 points we are talking about. So that is why you try to bend that finger a little bit. The main reason why you have to move your finger upwards and downwards for extreme stimulation of that area. You see, when that area is overstimulated, in this case, we don't even need Mr. Ongolo. We want her to pour that water up to the very end. I am telling people the truth. When you use your index finger very well, you use your finger very well, you use your finger very well, I am telling you people the truth here. She's going to pour that water till the end. And when your finger is inside the woman's V, this is now the woman's V for us today. Make sure your nail does not like cut those nails very well, because we want to get that beautiful stimulation. You see, everyone you keep your nails like long, you will not get exactly what I'm talking about. Because when this nail here try to touch, inside the woman's vagina, it is really very spongy, it is very soft. So when by mistake that nail touches anywhere and it is touches anywhere and she get injury, there is nothing like water you will see. I am talking the truth here. There is nothing like water you will see. You will see blood coming till the very end. So we want to see that water till the very end. And make sure that while your finger is inside her V, you are able to feel her G spot. You guys, are you getting? You are able to feel it, because you will, that G spot automatically you will feel it, because you will even be able to like touch it with your hand. It is like a sponge, like some packed sponge inside there, but you will be able to touch it. I am telling you. Make sure you use your finger very, very well. In this case, we don't need Mr. Ongolo, we don't need Mr. Man. We only need your index finger in this purposely, and use it very, very well. Before you know it, I am telling people the truth. Water will be everywhere, and she will pour that water till she reaches the peak, till the very end. You will see the water pouring. When this water is pouring, it is purely a colorless water. This one I have also to elaborate on it, because you are not going to tell me you're going to be pouring water which is looking like how do we call that thing? I don't know how it is called. You are going to be producing yellowish water. You are not normal. Please consult the doctor. So only your finger is going to be the cuddling, everything, the good work, everything. I am telling people the truth. Make sure your man is relaxed, Make sure you have spread her leg, the other side and the other side. Make sure your fingers are clean. You have cut that nail and it's shorter. There are some people, they think that when their nails are longer, that's when the woman gets stimulated. You lie. Remember, your finger is going inside there. Your finger is going inside there. So they must be shorter. She must really feel you. Fingers, they do a lot of work. Why do you think men begin with fingers before they put the real machine? To stimulate that part purposely, and also to create the road where the Mr. Man is going to enter, more especially when the woman has a smaller V. Are people seeing the point? It gives way. You have to create way, more especially when the man knows he has a big man. You have to create way where the big man is going to pass. Are you guys getting the point? Because I don't have much to say, but you have to use fingers in this case. And make sure when you're moving your fingers, you're able to locate where the Haji spot is, and you make sure you stimulate that point very, very well with your finger. Stimulate it. I am telling you, water will be the water you want to see, it will pour outside. So, thank you so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. So, this is exactly how you make a pour till the end. In this case, we don't need Mr. Man. Mr. Man will come maybe later, another day. Anyway, thank you guys. I am out of this place. I remain as Yen Hodo, your number one host, the one and only. Quiet, guys.